What the f? Believe it or not, these are pork chops. I know. Last time I checked, a pork chop looked more like this. These are so marbled. They're almost white. I've never seen anything like this before. The fat is really soft and melts in your hands. A bit like Wagyu beef if you ever handled that stuff. So, what's with these? Maybe it helps if I say Duroc? Do you know what I'm talking about? And more importantly, do they beat an ordinary pork chop? Stay tuned and find out together with me. To test these, I decided to cook them two ways. The first one, I cooked in a traditional French manner, first browning it and then basting it with butter, garlic and rosemary. The second one, I decided to cook using only oil and salt, keeping the flavor as pure as possible. Now, before I mentioned the word Duroc, which is a special breed of pigs. So, while I cook these chops, let's talk a bit about Duroc pork. The breed was developed in America in the 1800s and is known for its deep brown color, its bulldog-like muscle build, and its huge head. They're a bit smaller than most modern mass-produced pigs, giving chops smaller than what you may be used to. But what they lack in size, they surely make up for in other ways. As we've already been around, the marbling in Duroc meat is exceptional, and to add to that, it's said to be incredibly tender. And even though it looks a bit like Wagyu beef, which costs like $1 million, these only cost me around 12 bucks. Now, this may also be a good time to thank you all, as I just recently gained my subscriber number 1000. This means so much to me, and I appreciate every one of you guys helping me reach this goal much faster than I thought possible. Thank you, with all of my heart. Okay, I can't wait to try these out. So, now that they're nicely rested, let's check out the cross section. It's immediately clear that this meat is extremely juicy, as you can see for yourself. The juice is just oozing out of them. But, is it all looks? Well, I guess there's really only one way to find out. Here we go.
Our hearts beat to the city streets.
What the? Well, no, is the short answer. This is so good. I can't recommend this enough. This might actually be one of the best flavors I've ever come across. And yes, I have had Wagyu in Japan. It's just so rich and delicate, incredibly tender, and the juice just keeps coming. Worth every penny. Let's see if the butter adds anything, or if it's maybe a bit too much when the flavor's already so good. Oh no.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher.
Well, still incredible. The butter surely doesn't hurt the flavor. The plain one was amazing on its own, but the basting complements it really well. Sometimes you can hurt food by adding different flavors, but in this case, it makes a lot of sense. I can't stress this enough. If you can get Duroc where you live, give it a try. Also, you may like my series, Pasta of the Month, where I show you how to cook a traditional pasta dish every month. You can start out with this video about cacio e pepe by clicking the link. Thank you once more for watching. Take care.